Hello friends, once again welcome you all in the online lecture series, and we are talking about electrosynthetic analysis. In previous lecture we discussed about a aryl ketone compound, and now we will be talking about a carboxylic acid and their derivative. We know that carboxylic acid can be prepared by using a simple method, that is by using Grignard reagent. If we treat with this Grignard reagent by carbon dioxide, then it gives formation of, that is RCOOH, right, H3O plus. That means if we break this acid molecule by retrosynthetic method, that means it gives formation of a R minus, along with it gives formation of CO2 acetone, and its synthetic equivalent, that is RMgX, right. So this is the very simple method for the retrosynthesis of, that is, we can say acids, right. We know that the acids can be treated with various compounds and its derivative can be prepared. Its derivative can be prepared by treating with, that is thionyl chloride, SOCl2. It gives formation of, that is acyl chloride, right. If we treat with the another molecule, that is another acid group in presence of, that is H plus, it gives formation of anhydride, that is it gives formation of a anhydride, that is RC double bond O, then CO2, that is anhydride. Then if we treat these molecule with, that is alcohols, then it gives formation of a ester. It gives formation of ester. And if we treat this molecule with amines, that is R2NH, then it gives formation of a amides, that is RC double bond O, NH or NR2. If we look toward the stability as well as reactivity of compound, then the acyl chlorides are less stable compounds as compared to the anhydride and as compared to ester as well as amides, and then the amides are the more stable. That means the stability will be decreases from bottom to top as well as it will be increases from top to bottom. The acyl chlorides are less stable, but these are the more reactive. That means the reactivity is different than the stability, and then amides are the less reactive. That means there is a inverse relation between stability as well as reactivity. We can also prepare the derivative by the acyl chloride. If we treat this acyl chloride with the molecule, that is RCOONA, then it gives formation of a anhydride. If we treat this acyl chloride with, that is alcohol, that is R-OH, it gives formation of ester. And if we treat this acyl chloride with a amine, that is R2NH, it gives formation of amides. Similarly, the anhydride can be also treat with the alcohol, then it gives formation of ester, and if we treat with this amide, it also gives formation of amides. So these are the derivative, and their molecules can be easily interconvertible. Let us say a target molecule which containing as a acid derivative, that is acid derivative. If you take such type of amides, then such type of amides can be easily break by giving formation of a amine as well as a acid. That means we can break the molecule at this position and it gives formation of a piperidine, along with it gives formation of a, suppose we take acyl chloride, then it gives formation of a synthetic equivalent in this, right. So this piperidine is easily available, and then this molecule can be easily convert by function group interconversion. That means instead of acyl chloride we can take as a acids, right. We can take as a acid, then it gives formation of a compound like this. Then we know that this acid can be easily synthesized by using a Grignard reagent. So it gives formation of a, that is CO2, along with it gives formation of, that is CH3, CH2, CH, then CH2, CH2, then CH3. Here is negative charge, and its synthetic equivalent will be, that is like this, right. So it gives formation of a MgX. Then it can be easily prepared from, that is the alkyl halide, that is X. Then so this alkyl halide is not available, therefore we can again convert it into function group interconversion. the function group interconversion, it gives formation of alcohol, right? So it gives formation of alcohol in this, right? Now we can break this molecule again at this position, and then from one side we can make it aldehyde, and from other side we can take as a negative charge, and therefore it gives formation of a aldehyde like this, along with it gives formation of, that is, propyl magnesium halide, and it can be taken from propyl halide in this way, right? So we can get a two that is aldehyde as well as a alkyl halide. Then we can prepare such type of alcohol. From alcohol we can prepare the alkyl halide, and this from alkyl halide we can prepare acid, and from acid we can prepare these amides. Let us take the synthesis. In the synthesis, so in first step we can take this alkyl halide, that is propyl halide. The propyl halide will be treated with this magnesium in presence of dry ether. So what it gives? It gives propyl magnesium halide, right? Now we can treat this propyl magnesium halide with this aldehyde, right? So what it gives? It gives formation of a alcohol. So it gives formation of alcohol, that is OMgX, and then if we treat this molecule with H3O plus, it gives formation of a secondary alcohol, right? So this alcohol will be gives. Now we can treat this molecule with PBr3. So this PBr3 can be taken from, that is, red phosphorus plus bromine. So it gives formation of a, that is, alkyl halide, that is, so bromo, right? So it gives a bromo compound. Now we can treat again this compound with magnesium in presence of dry ether. So it gives formation of a, that is, CH3, CH2, then CH. Here is a MgBr, right? And here is the group, right? Now we can treat this molecule with, that is, carbon dioxide. So it gives formation of a acid. So acid is nothing but, that is, COOH. So this acid. Now we can treat this acid with SOCl2. So what it gives? It gives formation of a, that is, acyl chloride. And now we can treat this acyl chloride with this piperidine. So this piperidine. So what it gives? It gives formation of a target molecule. So this is a very simple route to prepare such type of amides, and such type of amides can be easily prepared by using such type of reactions. So let us take another function group. Another function group we can take as a saturated hydrocarbons. Suppose we have saturated hydrocarbons which containing such type of function group, then we can break this molecule by function group interconversion. That means if we take this double bond at this position, right, then by simply reduction we can prepare such type of saturated hydrocarbons, and these can be easily prepared by either addition of water. There are two routes. That means if we addition of water, or second route by Wittig reaction, right? In Wittig reaction we can break this molecule at this position. From one side we can take as a aldehyde, and from other side we can take as a R-CH2, then PPH3, right, minus. Then so this aldehyde is easily available, right? And then this molecule can be again prepared by using such type of alkyl halide. Then by second route, if you go for addition of water, then addition of water will be takes place at the two position. That is, if we add water at this position, and then by breaking the molecule we can take from one side, that is aldehyde, C double bond OH, and from other side we can take this R-CH2 minus, and CH2 minus we can take its synthetic equivalent, that is alkyl halide, right? And then this is, so this alkyl halide, so that means we can take the R-CH2 minus, and its synthetic equivalent will be R-CH2-MgX, right? And this can be taken from this R-X. So this is the simple method. So instead of taking alcohol, because if we are taking alcohol, then in elimination reaction we can get two different product, and therefore instead of going such, suppose if there is chance of formation of only one product, we can go for addition of reaction, but if there is chance for the formation of two product by using alcohol, we can prefer this Wittig reaction. Let us take a simple example. For this saturated hydrocarbons, we can take a target molecule, that is pH, CH2, 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 CH3, right? So we can go for a FC acylation, right? Suppose in retrosynthesis, if we go for FC acylation, that means we can break this molecule at this position, and if we go for FC acylation, because benzene ring is there, but there is chance of formation of two different products. That means there is a two carbocations are for primary carbocation and secondary carbocation, and we get two products. But instead of going for this FC acylation, we can go for FC acylation. Instead of FC alkylation, we can go for FC acylation, and therefore we can take the function group interconversion by using a carbonyl as a function group, right? So this carbonyl as a function group, and then we know that by using this FC acylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, we can break molecule at this position, right? So from one side we can take this pH ring, and from the other side we can take the acyl halide in this way, right? And this acyl halide, again we can go for the function group interconversion. Instead of this acyl chloride, we can take acids. We can go for acids. So if you see the number of carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbons are there. That means we have to maintain the carbon in the reaction. Then synthesis. If you go for synthesis, then we have this pentanoic acid, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then OH, right? Then this from pentanoic acid we can prepare by using a SOCl2, that is thionyl chloride. We can prepare this pentyl acyl halide, that is CH3, CH2, 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 C double bond O, Cl. And now we can treat this molecule in presence of benzene and ElCl3 and ElCl3. So what it gives? It gives formation of a pH, C double bond O, then CH3, CH2, 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 CH3, right? And if we go for a reduction of this carbonyl group by using a zinc amalgam in HCl, ZnHg in HCl, that is Clemenson's reduction, it gives formation of target molecule. So this is the one of the method for the preparation of the such type of target molecule. But there is another route for the synthesis of such type of target molecule. So instead of preparing this acyl as a function group interconversion, we can go for the function group interconversion by preparing it as a olefin, right? If we prepare the olefin at this position, then what it gives? It gives formation of pH, CH2 double bond CH, then CH. So this is the another route. Then we can break this molecule by either addition of water or either Wittig reaction. But if we add water at this position, then it gives olefin at this position, and if we add water at this position, it gives two different products. And therefore instead of going, we can go for this Wittig reaction. What is Wittig reaction? So it gives from one side it gives aldehyde group, and from other side it gives a anionic group, that is PPH3 CH2 minus, right? And then CH2 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 CH3. Number of carbon here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So this is the group which is formed. Then it can be taken from, that is CH3 CH2 CH2 CH1 2 3 4, and from that is a halide. So this is a synthetic equivalent for this molecule, right? Then if we go for synthesis, in the synthesis we have to take the CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2, then 1 2 3 4 and this Cl, and then we have to treat this molecule with, that is triphenylphosphine PPH3, but it gives CH3 CH2 CH2, then PPH3. Then we have to use a strong base, that is sodium hydride, or we have to take N-butyl lithium or this N-butyl lithium. So it will be abstract proton near the triphenylphosphine, and it gives formation of a such type of compound. And now we have to treat this molecule with this pH, C double bond O, that is benzaldehyde, and then what it gives? It gives formation of olefin, that is PH, CH double bond CH2, CH2, CH3. And then if you go for reduction, that is H2 in presence of platinum or palladium, it gives formation of target mark. Right? So this is the simple method to prepare a such type of saturated hydrocarbons. Let us take another example. Suppose we are taking another example. So before that we have to try this molecule. So I will be give one exercise to you here. So you have to try to solve this target molecule by using a saturated hydrocarbon as a synthetic equivalent, right? So this is the example which is given to you, and you have to try this compound by using a such type of synthesis. So friends, let us take a overlook regarding to the function group which is already discussed in previous lecture. We know that if there is a alcohol, suppose there is a tertiary alcohol which containing three different function group R, that is R dash and R double dash, right? Suppose the alcohols are there, we can go for retrosynthesis by using a ketone, right, along with reduced formation of RMgX. So this is the one route for the synthesis of such type of alcohols, right? So we can break these small alcohols by using a Grignard reagent type, that is aldehydes. Then if there is symmetrical alcohols are there, symmetrical alcohol, that is R dash and OH, then what we take here? We can take this R dash and ester R double prime, and then we are taking two molecules of this RMgX, right? Suppose if there is a primary alcohol, that is RCH2OH, then what we take here? We can go for function group interconversion, and from function group interconversion either we can take this ester or either we can take this aldehyde, and from that aldehyde we can prepare its a alcohol, right? Or another method, in another method we can go for RMgX and then formaldehyde, that is CH2O. Then in backward reaction we can prepare such type of primary alcohol. If there is secondary alcohol is there, then we can go for this function group interconversion as the formation of R, that is ketone, or in second method we can go for formation of aldehyde RC double bond OH plus it gives formation of R dash MgX, right? So that means by using any method we can prepare the alcohol, either secondary alcohol, primary alcohol or tertiary alcohol, right? And suppose if there are olefins, suppose olefins are there, and from the olefins there are different method. Which are this method? That means if there are different function groups are there, then we can go for addition of water. We can go for addition of water. That means you can add water at this position or at this position depending on the substitution. But instead of this, if we go for the another route, that means there is a Wittig route. There is a Wittig route, and by using Wittig route you can break this molecule at this position, right? So this is one of the method. But if olefin is there, if there is olefin such way that means it containing a different function group, and then we can go for the function group interconversion. That means if you are taking as a triple bond, then by using a reduction, that is by using Lindlar's catalyst, we can prepare such type of cis olefins, right? Okay, suppose there is a cyclic system, and in that cycling suppose there is a X group, right? So that means at olefin, suppose we consider this number as 1, 2, 3. So if at the 3 number there is X group, but this X group is electron withdrawing, right? Suppose this is electron withdrawing, then we can go for retro-Diels-Alder reaction by 1,4-butadiene, along with there is formation of such type of compounds, right? So this is one of the method. But if there is a cyclic system, suppose there is a cyclic system, and in that cyclic system there is an internal double bond, and in that system we can go for addition of water, and after addition of water we can either add water at this position or at this position. But if there is such type of system, we cannot go for Wittig reaction, because in Wittig reaction we are breaking the cyclic system, and again the formation of cyclic system is quite difficult, and therefore we cannot go for such type of Wittig reaction, right? So friends, I am giving here another target molecule which you have to try and you have to submit me. So this is the molecule which containing a such type of a amide as a function group. So this is a quite different molecule, and you have to try the retrosynthesis for such type of molecule. So this is OMe, here is OMe, again here is benzene ring, here is MEO or OMe, and MEO nitrogen is containing. So this is a molecule. You have to try the retrosynthesis for this molecule and submit this molecule, and if there is any changes I will suggest you. So friends, let us stop here. The remaining part will be discussed in next lecture. Thank you for watching video. Thank you.